Don't y'all come for me. I know I'm in the Rihanna 5 Head Club. Y'all ain't gotta let me know. Don't join on me, because I already know.
You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah. I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
Hi guys, it's Kyrie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell right next to it so you can get notified every time your girl uploads a new video, which is absolutely every week on Saturday. You guys get to see me and get this video a thumbs up because you know it's gonna be lit. We get it on and popping. We keep it rocking. We ain't stopping. Period, poo. Alright y'all, so just a quick disclaimer. I had no intentions of uploading this video for today. I actually had pre-recorded this video back in May, but y'all know I went through the funk with my hair, and honestly I haven't been in the mood to record any videos, and this is the only video that I had ready. Only reason I didn't plan on uploading it is because I haven't I'm not going to be doing any updos to my hair, but I am planning on starting a series where I try out different edge controls, because I know I'm on the search of finding me the perfect edge control for my nappy 4C hair. Another FYI, Canvas Beauty brand is having a 50% off sale. If you use the code PINK50, I think they're still having a 50% off sale on their pink kit. So if you're thinking about starting your hair journey using the Canvas Beauty brand, girl, get on that, because that is a hell of a good deal if you ask me. And it comes with the follicle booster. Y'all know I love the follicle booster. My favorite set is the booster set, but the pink kit, girl, that is crazy that they having a whole 50% off sale on the entire, like, you get everything from the line minus a few things, but for the most part you get everything from the line, and it's 50% off. So I would jump on that if you're thinking about starting your hair journey using the Canvas Beauty brand. But that's it. I just wanted to come in and say that this video is not going to be a long one, because we're just going to be seeing if the edge control can tame this hair. So yes, that's it. Love you guys and hope you all enjoyed this video. So bye. Alright y'all, so today's video, I know y'all probably think I'm finna do a hair tutorial, but no, I'm actually coming to review the Canvas Beauty brand Edge Bay Edge Control. Right now all I have on my head is the Canvas Beauty brand Edge Bay Edge Control. Now I used this edge control before in a video that I had done, and I told y'all that I wasn't fond of it, but I changed my mind. I changed my mind because I had a lot of products in my hair, and I've noticed that when I use an edge control, when I have a lot of caked up product in my hair, girl, the edge control don't do what it needs to do. But right now all I have on my head is the Canvas Beauty brand Edge Bay Edge Control. Y'all, I bit my tongue a little bit too early before I said that I love this edge control. I've been using this edge, look, can y'all see it? It's almost a dent in it. I had to test it a little bit more. I really had to test it a little bit more, and I'm in love with this edge control. Y'all know I love me a good edge control that can lay down this old nappy 4C hair of mine, because I got some nappy hair. And y'all, do y'all see my hair? It looks like I have gotten a perm, but I really haven't, y'all. Excuse my thin edges, y'all already know. But it looks like I have gotten a perm when I really haven't. It's just this edge control. Really good, really good edge control. Girl, one time for Miss Stormy Steele, because she did her thing with this entire line. I'm telling you, if I could get everything from that line, I literally would. Look, y'all gonna get tired of me in the Canvas Beauty brand, but when I love something, when I believe in something, I'm going to do my best to put it out there so other women can get your healthy hair journey started. So when I'm telling y'all that this product is one that I really believe in and I really love, that's why I promote it so much. That's why I'm always talking about it, because it's really helping me in dealing with alopecia or seborrheic dermatitis, hair loss period, if you have hair loss from cancer treatments or anything like that. I promise y'all this is a good product line for your hair to get its you know, for you to start your healthy hair journey. And it's black owned, girl. And Stormy is from Mississippi. I'm always gonna ride from anybody from Mississippi because I'm from Mississippi. So I'm always gonna ride for my people from Mississippi. I'm gonna go hard for my people from Mississippi. But if they got some trash products, I promise y'all, this is the type of person I am. If a product is trash to me, I am never going to post about it on my platform, because I don't want to bash anyone's company, because if it doesn't work for me doesn't mean it won't work for somebody else. If it's trash to me, it doesn't mean that it's going to be trash to another person. So I'm never going to down anybody's product line. I'm never going to down anybody's business, because that's not me. That's just not me. Now, but yeah, I'm really just trying to waste time so y'all can see that this edge control is not moving. This is some bomb edge control, and usually I have to put a and I'm sweating, and it's still not moving. Look, literally. Usually I have to put like something on it to make it lay down so it won't fly away. I'm still gonna do that, but I'm just showing y'all that me sitting up here doing all this talking and this edge control is literally not moving a muscle. It's going for $17.99, and you get a 2-ounce bottle. If you like me, I don't know how much edge control y'all like to use. Usually when I get edge controls, I like to I go over my hair when I'm doing like a sleep ponytail look. I go over my hair with 2 different edge controls, and this is one that I'm using now, and I use the magic edge effect to go in the crevices of my hair. I didn't do that with this one. I literally just put this edge control all around my hair. I didn't use anything else but the edge bay this time, because I really wanted to see how it was going to perform on its own, because the first time I used it, it was a catastrophe because I had too much going on in my head. But now it's really good. $17.99. I know that might seem a little bit pricey, but she's always having sales. You can always use a coupon code. Use it for yourself. Try it for yourself, because I promise y'all, it's bomb. It is bomb. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description box below where you can go and purchase this one. It is going to be an affiliate link, so I will be getting a little bit of coin. You don't have to use my affiliate link if you don't want to. It would be greatly appreciated if you do, but you don't have to if you don't want to give me those coins. But yeah, that's it. Love you guys, and I will most definitely see you all in my next video. Bye.